Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you the best settings for Omen 27 QS. So this guy already just shared right now these two pictures. So he's playing like CSGO and it looks insane, like insane. So right now I'll just show you what are his settings and you can just like completely copy it, right? So here you're gonna have adaptive sync on, response time level 3, frame rate on, crosshair off, message timer off, brightness contrast 80, 85, dynamic contrast off, black stretch off, sharpness level 4. You can just stop the video and just like do it based on it. Okay, this zoom is okay. Then you're gonna have the color, you want to go with native, and then you're gonna have the 24 AG, 240 AG, age status off, display mode adaptive sync, and yeah, brightness 50, contrast 50, gamma like 1 here, digital vibrance 55, and that's it. And enable G-Sync and G-Sync compatible. So this is something that you want to do, and this guy just like a really good quality of the screen. So crazy, insane. Have a great day and goodbye.